Hi Barbie dolls! I'm just a Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching our video. Right now, I'm in my Barbie kitchen and I'm wearing Barbie apron. Can you guess what I'm doing today? Barbie cooking. Yay! Actually, I really like cooking. I just got this Barbie pink pan. Look at this. It's like perfect Barbie pink. I was so excited to use this, but you know, I didn't want to cook something like a miso soup for using this cute pan for the first time. I wanted to cook something really cute, like a cute pink Barbie-ish food. So I decided to make pink marshmallow cereal bar. You know, it's like easy treat, but I just wanted to try with all pink color, make it look more Barbie-ish. So I got this pink cereal, pink marshmallow, pink candy milk for topping. Let's start with medium-low heated pan with melted butter. Melted. We add marshmallows. Maybe small sizes are easier to melt, but they only have big one for pink color this time, so I'm using a big one. Keep mixing. They already started melting. Oh my god, you know what? We should definitely use smaller sizes of marshmallow because it takes forever. It looks already yummy. Pink marshmallow in Barbie pink pan. Scarlett. Look what I did. Now completely melted. Okay, we need to turn off the heat. Let's put some cereal. It looked like pink cereal got into pink spider web. I don't know, is it supposed to be like this? Should I put a little bit more cereal? Now like this. I also spray it to my hand. Oh my god! Since I already put spray on my hand, so I can touch them. So you can press with your palm. I think that's easier than using spatula. So we need to let it show. Looks already cute. Look at this pink. We need to cut. I should have put more cereal. It's too gooey. So I just cut with cooking scissors. It's not really pretty, but it still looks yummy, right? Itadakimasu. Oishii. I'm making this even more Barbie-ish. Put it in microwave. So I'm preparing candy milk. I'm gonna dip this. So I carved it. Cute. Put on cookies sheet. Hot. Ooh, hot. I'm making darker Barbie pink candy milk with food coloring. Bright pink. I love it. Oh my god, this one looks crazy. I want to put some sprinkles. How cute is this? Have you seen any cuter cereal bar than this? Take-da! Look. Barbie pink cereal bar. This is the cutest. I'm gonna do another decoration. Cute. I get candy milk drizzle. Look what I'm doing. I did drizzle. Barbie. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.